So, for some reason, welcome to my 5th video. This will be the last time I say that type of intro, unlike I did my actual last video. But maybe this is my 6th video, who knows. But, well, apparently it keeps restarting me, so I decided I'm gonna use a couple, not actually a couple, because I can tell you this is not a couple, of mods to destroy the building. Like that. Automatically reloads. Or I could just do this. I'm probably just gonna, you know what, I'm going to do this. So I'm literally just going to sphere this. Let me pause that, because that's gonna be something. Going to disappear. Okay. And now all I need to do, pump action shotgun this. What? Miscellaneous rifle. The most powerful rifle I have ever seen, ever. Like, look at this bad boy. Look at this guy. That is an explosive rifle if I've ever seen one. Rifle, which is why smart pistol is here, boy. And this is where I say gravity always wins. Gravity always wins. I'm sorry, sir, but gravity always wins. What are you holding on to? What are you? Oh, that's done. Okay, now we're gonna exit and do the second mission. Hopefully I'll get possibly something cool. And let's continue. Maybe I'll get a gun or something, like my first actual gun. Who knows? Probably not. And my mic probably sounds really terrible, but I'm being a bit louder. No. What is my... I guess I'm just gonna go to the computer? An investigation. A favor. Wait, one of 3 generations start a power but a weakness? Is this a mission where I'll have to use the fly, like, responsively? Because that'll be a pain. Wait, tab. Wait, no, what? That's not tab. This is tab. Okay, fire alarm. These things will trigger a fire alarm. if I get in there using the Minecraft Fly mod, I can go there fast, then go up there, and then go to this one, or maybe, yeah, I'm gonna start at this one, then go to this one, then this one, then go to the fan. Because I'm gonna have to use this Minecraft Fly thing responsibly, which is something I'm not good at doing. I'm responsible. Whoa. So there's destruction in my wake. And there's destructible objects in my face, so I'm going to destroy them. So there's the first computer. I'm gonna have to speed run this. Good target. Darn it. I've gotta go faster than this. Hold up, where's my second target? Where's my okay. My second target's that building. Lucky me, I'm somewhat fast. Come on, move! I don't care. Oh, God. Darn it. Yikes, 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 yikes. C4, C4. You gotta be kidding me. Okay, so I'm gonna run. I'm gonna start at the one that is closest to me. Yeah, I know where my objectives are. God, get out of my face. Get out of my... Need to pick up target. Need to pick up target. And this building right around here would be the second target. So let's go down. Let's plant some C4. Explosives. Go back. Large explosion. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna rush in. Go to the computer. Where's the computer? Oh, I think it's down here now. Beautiful. Now I gotta run. Cause wow. This was surprisingly fast, but still. Like, seeing how my skills are absolute dog in water. Like it or not, this will be the end of the video. So, goodbye. See you next video, hopefully. And hopefully, see you next. And hopefully, I might get a like on the video.